Hi, I'm Woody. I'm an Earth Repairian. You too can be an Earth Repairian. And this is how we power our homestead and our electric car with energy from the sun. In permaculture design, what is known as stacking functions is one of my absolute favorite practices. Stacking functions is when every element in a design performs more than one function. Our solar power port was designed for 3 primary functions: shade and weather protection, rainwater collection, and harvesting solar energy. The first function of the solar power port is that it provides shade and weather protection. I always build structures out of repurposed and sustainable materials. This project is a perfect example. For this structure, I found large Douglas Fir beams that had been returned to my local lumberyard. I got a great price and had to mill one in order to get them to work together. I also allowed the materials to dictate the design. Building this carport has really improved the value and beauty of my homestead. The second function of the solar power port is rainwater collection. We chose a standing seam metal roof to collect chemical-free rainwater. The structure directs rainwater into the gutters and then to the rainwater tanks, providing over 100% of our year-round irrigation needs. The third function of the solar power port is that it provides almost all of our energy needs here on the homestead. We chose to install a 7 kilowatt system that charges our electric car, powers all of our appliances and tools, and runs our air conditioner during the hot summer months. In Central Texas, we have 100-degree days for months at a time. I'm able to run my air conditioner as cool as I want, whenever I want. And I save money every month on my electricity bill. This whole system will pay for itself in around 5 years. Then it's free power. At Earth Repairian Labs, we drive a Tesla Model 3, and it gets about 300 miles on a full charge. After 30,000 miles, I can say that the solar power port has directly charged almost all of those miles. This is a paradigm shift in energy production that substantially reduces our carbon footprint while maximizing our return on investment. In permaculture, we work to design and build regenerative and sustainable systems. The solar power port is a multi-purpose build and a perfect example of stacking functions. Thanks for your interest in how we built our solar power port. If you'd like to learn more about solar power, electric vehicles, rainwater collection, or permaculture in general, like and subscribe below. I'm Woody. I'm an Earth Repairian. You too can be an Earth Repairian. We'll see you next time. Remember, when you heal the earth, you heal yourself.